Hello guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix YouTube TV no sound issue. So if you have a YouTube TV subscription and you don't have no sound when you play channels, this video might help you. So there is one fix to this problem and most people have this problem, but when you do this fix, the problem goes away. So let me show you the fix. For me, the sound is working fine, but if your sound is not working, make sure to go over here to your profile and click on it and go to the settings, click on it and head down to the audio right here. As you can see, 5.1. Click on it and make sure your surround sound is off. So if your surround sound is on like this, make sure to turn it off and then the sound will work. So I hope you guys do this like this. So this is the only fix to fix the sound. If the sound is not working on all of your TV, that must be another problem. But if it's not working only on YouTube TV, this is the only fix right here. You make sure to turn off surround sound. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a nice day.